subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Welcome back to the Kowloon Cricket Ground here in Hong Kong. It doesn't get any bigger than this. It's the grand finale for the Cup final, Australia, and they're taking on a very strong lineup from Pakistan. Well, that's what transpired at the toss. David Warner winning the toss, and he is elected to bowl first. Very strong lineup from Pakistan. Australia, well, they have gained in confidence with each passing game. That's gone. That's a six. That's a cracking shot. That's very sweetly timed. That's gone the distance. And that's six number 2, back to back. That's 6. And he has to retire with that. Outside edge and taken. That's a big wicket for Australia here. Imran Nazir has been dismissed for 13. Picking up a single, direct hit, and that's a big wicket as well. Shoaib Malik has been run out here for Pakistan. Another one. Wicket number 3, it's all happening. 2 wickets in the first 2 deliveries here for Pakistan. We'll have to, direct hit and gone. Another run out. It was a wide delivery. That's up in the air, and that's got to clear the boundary line here. That will get him to a half century again. Half century here for Ahmed Shahzad. This time it's come up 14 deliveries. That's clean. That's a clean shot. He's on fire here, Ahmed Shahzad. 6 of the first delivery. Sohail Khan it is on strike, and he's clobbered a couple of 6s of the first 2 deliveries of this over.
Oh, we've got an LBW in the final. This is unbelievable. I think this is the first LBW we've had the whole competition, and it's gone in the final.
Oh, he's hit it a long, long way. It's gone out of the ground. Another one. This even bigger. Slower delivery, and you don't need to run for it.
Australia put to the sword now. Pakistan 132 for 5. What will this last ball bring?
Well, it brings a wicket for Australia. Yes, it does. So Pakistan have been bowled out, but they have completed their quota of those 5 overs. They've played those 40 deliveries, and they have put 132 runs on the board.
And there it is, very clear to see how Shahzad Ahmed has really dominated this Australian innings and dominated the runs for Pakistan.
He hits it very well onto the pads. He clips it towards the onside.
Short and swung. 6 on the full, hits the board. And this is Maxwell. He knows he needs to get moving on quickly. Australia, they still need over 100. And Warner deposits over mid-wicket for 6. And Maxwell, in his customary style, hits it over mid-wicket. That's his hallmark. And he punches it through extra cover. He'll have to retire. Very strong on the leg side. and bowled it. Oh, that's a wicket. Big one for Pakistan. They wanted it, and that's not what Australia planned for. Taken on the full, might be out caught. He's got another wicket, the Pakistan captain. Australia have lost their second wicket. And Pakistan is on fire. Australia 64 for 2. Oh, this is a big one. That is hit for 6. And with it, Maxwell will retire. And he slashes. And he'll get a boundary. This is Cleary. So 82 for 2. They got 8 balls remaining, or 10 balls remaining. And Cleary, keep running, keep running, keep running. They wouldn't get you out, they wouldn't get you out. Oh, so he's decided to get him out anyway. So now Warner has to come. Warner has to come. Well, a few words being exchanged, it doesn't matter in the heat of the moment. It's all happening. Warner strides out to the centre. Australia need 50 of 9. It's cleared, the rope is gone for a huge 6. So Australia has had the right start for the last over.
Good hit, a good blow. Very lusty blow from Carter's. Goes for another 6. Straight over the side screen.
It's bounced, it's gone to the boundary. Will it be a no ball? Well, what's happening? No ball and 4 byes. Oh, that's hammered over cover. Down to the boundary for 6. Australia closing in. 12 of 4. And there is great belief now. How did Pakistan lose the initiative?
He goes big, Carter.
That's gone for 6 more. This is an amazing performance by...
Subscribe official channel of PTV Cricket, and to receive notifications of news and updates, press bell icon.
Welcome back to the Kowloon Cricket Ground here in Hong Kong. It doesn't get any bigger than this. It's the grand finale for the cup final. Australia, and they're taking on a very strong lineup from Pakistan. Well, that's what transpired at the toss. David Warner winning the toss, and he is elected to bowl first. Very strong lineup from Pakistan. Australia, well, they have gained in confidence with each passing game. That's gone. That's a 6. That's a cracking shot. That's very sweetly timed. That's gone the distance. And that's 6 number 2, back to back. That's 6. And he has to retire with that. Outside edge and taken. That's a big wicket for Australia here. Imran Nazir has been dismissed for 13. Picking up a single, direct hit, and that's a big wicket as well. Shoaib Malik has been run out here for Pakistan.